So let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Crate and Random both going for that close shot. Well, Robo Warriors and Mech are getting that far shot. Pretty even. Blue is currently ahead in auto, but both gates are pretty full. Blue prioritizing keeping that ramp open and clear. Looks like the Red Alliance kind of stuck over there into blue tunnel. Might be something going on. If so, they're going to have to make up that difference in teleop. Looks like
drivers, pick up your controllers.
Blue Alliance is currently in the lead, 14-5. Only a difference about 30 points that is doable for the Red Alliance. Both sides, relatively same amount of artifacts.
1.
It's just going to be a matter of who can cycle faster here. Create the Future just picking up some of these loose artifacts. Same with Mech. Meanwhile, Random really prioritizing getting from that gate. That loading zone, human players are going to try and do their best to get those out, but the Blue Alliance cannot take advantage of it. Meanwhile, there's a lot of traffic going over there, over by the red tunnel. It's going to be clear, but we're seeing just a lot of basic gameplay here. But Red is doing their best to catch up. Meanwhile, lots of traffic going on here. Almost pinching Mech in the center there with the Blue Alliance. 17-9-6-9 taking advantage of that dropped gate by the Blue Alliance. Lining up to try and shoot from the close. Not seeing a lot of far shots in this game, which could lead to this amount of traffic that we're getting here in the center. But both sides' ramps filling up pretty quickly, but the Blue Alliance dropping that gate. Blue Alliance still in the lead, 33-17 in terms of artifacts, 119-61. And Mech is taking advantage of those dropped artifacts. Red is going to need to drop that gate as soon as possible if they want to keep scoring. And we're still seeing the Blue Alliance in the lead. Red might not drop that red gate so that Blue Alliance cannot take advantage of it. In the last couple seconds, we're seeing a couple parks. Full, partial, looks like for both.
Please. Blue Alliance wins with a score of 202 points. And now, let's get to match number 95. Hello.
I'm back. Give me a second.